Ever get annoyed when your iPhone screen keeps turning off? Here's a quick fix. First, check low power mode. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit, and tap on Battery. Then scroll all the way down, and select the Power Mode option. Look for Low Power Mode. If this is turned on, your iPhone will limit certain features, including turning off your screen to save power. So go ahead and toggle it off. Second, change auto lock settings. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down slightly, and tap on Display and Brightness. Once again, scroll down, and tap on the auto lock option. Here, you'll see options like 30 seconds, 1 minute, and so on. To keep your screen from turning off, simply select Never. And that's it.